Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, Anlin Windows Systems, a great American family business success story. Congratulations to the entire team at Anlin Windows Systems on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and outstanding workmanship since 1990, when Anlin started as a small family business. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are reviewing that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of Anlin Windows Systems. Anlin produces very high-quality windows and doors that are only sold and installed by authorized Anlin dealers. Anlin has many great videos which explain what makes Anlin Windows better than the others. You should watch them like we did. Anlin has been a real innovator since Tom Vidmar and his two sons Eric and Greg founded this company back in 1990. They vowed to make great products, they vowed to sell them at a reasonable price through great dealers. They've always been very progressive in developing new products. And most importantly, they've surrounded themselves with really great people, many of whom are still with Anlin almost 30 years later. Anlin Windows and Doors are made in a state-of-the-art facility in Clovis, California, and are available across the western region of the United States. Anlin produced a great video a while back in which they talked about the family atmosphere at Anlin. It gives you a good feeling about this company and its people. But at Best of the Best, we care most about what real customers say about any business in recent reviews. And Anlin has arguably the best customer reviews of any window maker in America, including much larger companies. When we reviewed Anlin Window Systems in late 2018, this company was the only company of its kind to have a 5-star rating on Yelp. They had nearly 1,000 5-star reviews on Yelp alone, and many others on other credible review sites. When you read all of those reviews like we did, you can see that Anlin builds great products and stands behind them with real lifetime warranties. No fine print. On almost all Anlin products, clients get a warranty for as long as they live in that home, and if they sell the home, the new homeowner gets the same warranty on the Anlin windows. That is incredible, and no company would ever do that unless they knew their products would last. This is a very good company filled with good people. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back, and this one does. Anlin has what it calls its volunteer squad. Anlin team members have raised hundreds of thousands of dollars over the years and given countless hours to really great causes. Anlin has supported Easter Seals, benefiting children and adults with disabilities, the Make-A-Wish Foundation, Habitat for Humanity, food banks, and more. It is so awesome. Congratulations to everyone at Anlin Windows Systems on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for so many years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.